Hello everyone, I am Ashish and I have studied the data analysis using R from Skyfi Labs, and I am analyzing the data of diamond using the R. So for it I need to use certain libraries. So first of all I call these libraries. These are ggplot2, dplyr, coregram and coreplot. So I have to call it. So now to analyze the data I will input the data using read.csv command and choosing the file of the diamond. Now I am viewing the data so as to know about the rows and the columns of the data. So from this we have seen that there are 53,940 rows and 11 columns of the data. So I need a new column of a volume of diamond, that is equals to x into y into z. So run this command. This is mutate, and from the data we have seen that there is another column of volume of diamond. Now we have the data of 53,000 and above rows. So I need to take some fraction of the data to analyze it. So I am using the command sample frac. Now our data is ready to visualize. So first of all I will visualize univariate data as a discrete and continuous. So for discrete data I have plotted the bar plot, and for continuous data I have plotted the histograms. So first I have plotted the cut variable, and then we have plotted caret variable. From the caret variable we have seen that S11 has the highest amount of clarity and the 11 has the lowest amount of clarity from the bar plot of the clarity. And then I have plotted the caret variable histogram. After that we have plotted price variable histogram. Here I have plotted the area plot of the price, as the area under the curve shows the price of the diamond. And after that I have plotted the bar plot of the depth column, as this bar plot shows that the depth column follows the normal distribution. Now for plotting a bivariate continuous data, we are using the geom point so as to plot the scatter diagram. First of all I am using the x as price and y as volume of the diamond column. Now run this command. So we have seen that this is a graph of the scatter plot of price and the volume of the diamond. As we have seen that this shows a linear relationship. As price increases, the volume of diamond also increases. After that we have plotted a caret and the volume of diamond command. So this shows a perfect linear relationship between volume and the caret of the diamond. This is the linear graph that I have plotted between the price and the volume of the diamond, and the color is depending on the color variable, that is color is dependent on the D, E, F, G, H, I, J. In this plot I have using a command geom smooth so as to get a smooth line. This line shows that the variable caret and the volume of diamond have a straight line graph. After that, to plot a continuous and a discrete columns, we are using the box plot command, and we have plotted the cut and the price column, and the color of this graph is dependent on the color variable. As color is D, E, F, G, H, I, J. So we have seen that the ideal cut and the premium cut and very good cut has the high number of columns of the color variable. In this box plot we have plotted clarity as x and the price as y. So now I want to calculate the correlation between the data. So as to calculate the correlation, I first want that my data should be numeric, so I make the data numeric using is.numeric command, and I have plotted the core plot. This shows the correlation. From this plot I have seen that the caret and the volume of diamond has the highest correlation, that is equals to 1. And I have plotted also the coregram plot. The variables are at the diagonal point, and the color from the color we have find the correlation is positive or negative. After that I have plotted the regression plots of price and volume. This graph shows the linear regression of the price and the volume of the diamond. From each graph we have shown that there is a linear relationship, as the fair color has the high amount of linear relationship, as it shows a perfect linear straight line, and the other are also have a linear relationship. After that I have plotted the carat and the volume regression plot. This shows a perfect straight line, so this is a perfect linear relationship, linear regression relationship. I have plotted other regression plot also. From this analysis of data of diamond, we have seen that how the two variables dependent, and I also make the graph of the certain univariate data so as to know about their distribution. And from the regression plot we have seen the linear regression between the variables of price and volume of data and carat and volume of data. Thank you for watching it.